Hey, 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 yo, I ain't writing all that code myself. Nah, I got Clyde right here, bro. Watch this. Pull up to the terminal, I'm feeling like a genius. Pump the A, I tell it what I ate, and then I lean back. Used to spend a week on authentication. Now I ship it in the night, this vibe code of dedication. I don't read the dots no more, I just describe the vision. I'll be writing functions with surgical precision. Stack overflow, who I don't even know her. Ship the MVP before my morning coffee's over. I'ma ship that code. I'ma ship that code. Hey, I got AI on the terminal, and I'm about to show that code. I'ma ship that code. Whole app in a weekend. Tell me what you know. Don't even gotta type it on myself no more. Ship that code. Ship that code. Hey, everybody out here grinding for a month on features. I just hop on stream and let the AI be my teacher. Friday night we live, yeah, the lab rats all watching. Prompt till production while the haters still brainstorming. Torian TypeScript.
What's up, everybody? What's up, chap? King Dynasty going full force. Darth Quad is here. Khalid, Solomon, welcome, guys. No more. Ship that code. Ship that code. Yeah. Do I know what every line does? Not really. Nope. Do the test pass? Sometimes. Is it in production? Yes, sir. Did I vibe? What we working on today? What's the headline feature, bro? They say real devs write it all by hand. I say real dev ship and watch it land. AI pair program. Well, guys, we're gonna have productive stream today. Is the goal. Today we're not gonna have a really long stream because, like you guys already know, tomorrow I'll be leaving for the week. For that cruise that I've been talking about. So today what I want to do is we're gonna switch this music up here. Alright, there we go. So our goal today is kind of just to kind of get our mind kind of right on what we want to achieve. You know, I kind of been all over the place a little bit with all my projects. I mean, I did make a lot of progress on a lot of things, right? But I want to, you know, when I come back from this cruise, we're going to go full force. If you guys thought I was going full force already, you have not seen anything yet. That's what I'm saying right now, guys. And you know, you can hold me to it, okay? I'm gonna come back and we're gonna just knock so many things out. It's gonna be like who you're not even gonna know who I am, is what it's gonna be like. Okay? So what we're gonna do today is we're going to kind of plan out day by day what it's going to be like when I come back. All the different projects that we're working on. Quad about to take over the world, y'all. What's up, Narrow Pathfinders? Ted, how you doing? Yeah, so I don't know exactly where we got to start here on this plan. Day by day planning, I am here for it. Nice. All right. Maybe what we start with is like, let's just write all the things out that I do have, right? So we can kind of get a full picture of everything that we are working with. Okay. Packalot says pull. All right. Well, we're not really working in quad code, but we can get the live chat system up and running here. All right, there we got the live chat. Don't worry, Packet. It will work. Just give it a minute, okay? Once you kind of start seeing the stats up here, Wait, can you even see it? Oh wait, it's too far, I think. Hold on. Alright, once you start seeing like stats here, like the viewer count and things like that, then you know it'll start working. Or maybe it will. What's up? What's up, Packet? How you doing? Dang, the new lava lamp looks clear though. Yeah, I mean, I think it looks clear, but it's like, so I just turned it on and it's like, I don't know if you can really even see it yet. Hold on. My office is a mess right now, guys, but I don't know if you can see how clear it is, but it's actually not even flowing just yet. So it still needs some time to get flowing. I just turned it on, so it all like just the lava's kind of like just right there. But we'll see what happens. Can't see the lava yet, but it looks clear. Yeah. All right, so let's just list out all the things that we have. We got quadslab.io. We got quadathon.com. We have quickcert.com. We have getabe.app. What else do we have, guys? Oh, we got drvibe.io. Why not? We have quadcode, which might be, I mean, I haven't set the name on it, I haven't fully put the name down just yet. You're a lava lamp expert. I got super eyes, dog, I can tell. It never went quad, man. No, give it some time, It's still connecting, it's warming up, Packet. You know, that's how much are you spending here
at Packet Loss 404 pulls
spending
the slot
each
machine.
year on website domains? I don't know yet. We're gonna have to figure that out. See, look, there it is, Packet.
At Super Combo Gamer pulls the slot machine.
Packet, it went fast, but you got Orange Bell Hot Dog. No winner. And Super Combo got 2 oranges, so that counts. All right, quad code, and then this is the code name, Code Bench. I think, or quadbench.com, I think, right? Quad code is taken though, is the problem. It's actually trademarked, and there's actually already a quadcode.com and a quadcode.ai. So, you know, we're gonna have to come up with something new, and I think Quadbench might work, but we're gonna see. Is there anything else that I'm missing? So we got the main site, we got the Quadathon, Quickser, Abe, Dr. Vibe, Quad Code. Packet code is out. What is Quad Code? Wait, you don't know what Quad Code is? Where have you been at, P-Man? Ah, yes, the social media poster, which is quadposter.com. Thank you for that, King. What is quad code? Oh, okay, I think that's the joke. Agency OS, yes. Thank you. Which is actually drizzle.work. Okay, what else? Are we missing? Let me open up my project folder here and see if there's anything in here. I mean, there are like little tools. Abe, yeah, Abe is there. Getabe.app. I do have like little tools, but those aren't necessarily products. And like some of them are just open source things that I have out there.
At Caleb Solomon pulls the slot machine.
Nice. Is it Caleb or Khalib? You're gonna have to tell me that. Quad in one?
At Chapo 7 pulls the slot machine.
Okay. Dang, jackpot from Chap. 3 lemons. Nice job, chap. Alright, I'm trying to think, is there anything else? Anything else you guys want to see on here? I do have another project, but it's kind of been a little secret that I haven't really shared on stream. I've been talking about it inside the Discord a little bit. Should I put it on this list? Because that project actually, the Omniquad? Omnibus? Omniquad? Yeah, there is a project that I want to actually, while I'm out on the cruise, I probably will be trying to finish up. So I don't know, should I put it on this list? Because this is going to be like after I come back. Alright, well we have a starting list. Now, things that we need to get done for each of them. Or maybe we should put a priority to each. Besiege, how you doing? Let's see, we do this. Alright, I'm gonna just set the priority on things of what I think needs priority. Based on different things like the benefit I'll get out of them and the level of effort. Priority number 1, make $1 million. That's a good one. So I think these 3 can probably go towards the bottom because there's not much to really do with QuadsLab.io, Quadathon, and Quicksert. They're pretty much all done. What's up, Peter? What's up? How you doing? I think Get Abe should be like number 1 priority because Abe is pretty much there. It just needs some polish and things. Dr. Vibe also has been very hyped up and it's lost a lot of its hype, but I think we can bring it back. And it's very close as well. Quad Code, people want Quad Code or Quad Bench. All good, had very productive day. Good. What's the vision with all these? To have a bunch of standalone products that you sell? I have a vision for some of these things. This is one vision. Vision number 1. Now, you might have heard this vision from other YouTubers, okay, guys? But listen, what I'm realizing in this world, especially in vibe coding and software, it's not about who does things first anymore. People don't care about who's done what first. You know, I really don't think software is going to be like that. It's like, oh, this guy did it first, so I'm going to use them. Now, my vision is to have a bundle of tools that people can use. So vision number 1, a bundle of tools for vibe coders. Not just a bundle, my bundle of tools that Quad H uses for vibe coding. Okay, this is vision number 1. So in this vision we have Quad Code. I'm just start calling it Quad Bench. We got Quad Bench. We have Get Abe. We have Quicksert. Okay. Now I have another product here, but I don't want to mention it just yet because it's something that I haven't even started yet. And I don't want to like mention something that hasn't even been started just because I don't want to keep adding to this list. But I think, you know, building these out, letting people buy them individually, and then kind of bundling them all together, is going to allow people to, you know, easily get products out there. That's vision number one. Vision number two is to, what's vision number two, guys? I don't even know if vision number one is even appropriate, because they're not like in a specific order. I would say this might be even vision number two. Vision number one should be up here. Vision number one is to build a community of builders and shippers. Okay, inside this vision we have, I don't like that they're not, these aren't lined up. We'll have to fix that later. Inside this vision we have the Discord server, we have the Dr. Vibe website, and the YouTube social, YouTube/social sites. I would say that's vision number one, is to have a community here, which we kind of do. We have a community. Don't get me wrong. There we go. I work with the Navy. I can get you in contact with some shippers. Perfect. Get them into the community. We need shippers. Okay. But yeah, I mean, that's when I started the Discord back in January. I think I started it January 5th, and then I started live streaming January 15th. That was the goal, was to for the Discord server to be people that want to build businesses, and to be around people that want to start businesses, because I was kind of like tired of like just being around the same people that always wanted to kind of stay, that didn't really care about staying at the same place. Like they were fine with that, and I'm not calling anybody out specifically, but I just knew like I needed to change my surroundings to change where the direction that I'm heading. And so far that has shown to be successful, because I can definitely see the direction that I'm heading is totally different than where I was back in December, and it's closer to a line to where I want to be at. So vision number one, build a community of builders and shippers. Vision number two, my bundle of tools, my bundle of tools that I use for vibe coding. Okay. All right. Any questions, guys?
At Narrow Pathfinders,
Great
pulls
question.
the slot machine.
All right. Do these visions run in parallel? Yeah, I think they do. I don't see why not. Two cherries and a lemon. That's a win. All right. Let's start going through these. Or actually, another vision. So these are our products. These are things we want to kind of achieve. Alright, let's start writing out the things we need for these. So Get Abe, what we need to do for Get Abe is set up Stripe payments. It's mostly set up, but it hasn't been tested thoroughly. Polish UI. Focus on security and privacy. Polish landing. Sign exe for Windows. Confirm / setup auto updater. Okay. New features. And how about this? Plan out V2 features. So like, let's not say we're gonna add new features right away. Let's just say these are the things we need to kind of ship this app. Set up Stripe payments, polish the UI, focus on security and privacy, polish the landing. Maybe even these two don't even need to be done. Polish UI and landing. Maybe that is V2. V2 features. I know what else some things I want to do. Dictionary. So I could spell it. There it is. Cool. Focus on security and privacy, sign the exe, confirm, and set up auto updater with GitHub. I think if we do those 4 things, we can ship Abe completely. Vision number 3, let's come down here. Have a network of social influencers. Let's just Abe transcribe this. Have a network of social influencers to do affiliate marketing. I don't know if that's a vision, but that's something I want. Maybe vision number 3, have a Clawbot. Have a Clawbot assistant. And these are things that I want the Clawbot to do. All right, let's go back up here. Dr. Vibe. What do we need to do for Dr. Vibe? Same thing. Sign for exe. Strip out. We need to confirm this auto updater also. For things like Abe, are you thinking buy or sub sales model? Thinking buy or sub sales model? Well, I'm not sure what you mean. Let's add another thing here though for Abe. Oops. For Abe, marketing.
Peter Molinar 3636 pulls the slot machine.
Marketing strategy. can people buy it for a one-time price, or is it a subscription service? It is a subscription service, because it runs the model in the cloud. Now, right now, Get Abe, if you go to the site, like, it's super cheap. It's like $6 a month. And after kind of running it on and having some people use it on promo, you know, I've been giving it to people for free. We might even be able to adjust the price, you know, possibly. Right now, it's $6 plus usage, but maybe we can adjust it too, but to be kind of more competitive. Okay, here we'll do this. Make a marketing strategy for Get Abe. Okay, Dr. Vibe, strip out. What do we need to do? We need to strip out the Dr. Vibe, or strip out the character creation feature until after launch. And then we need to finish/polish social networking features. We also need to do again, focus on security and privacy for Abe. For Dr. Vibe, we need to set up Steam Store. So hopefully we get approved by Steam. Let me double check actually now, because I sent another picture of my ID to them, because we're gonna get Dr. Vibe on Steam. Yeah, it's not approved yet. Set up Steam Store. Okay, what else do we need for Dr. Vibe? We need promo videos for Dr. Vibe. We need maybe BridgeMine will let us do a project sharing event. That'll help promote Dr. Vibe. And then again, plan out V2 features, which are character creation, monetization, and monetization. What else? Okay, I think that's good. All right, quad code. We have a lot of things we need to do for quad code. We need to finish the planning to ticket creation module. Finish the agent swarm on issues module. We need to set up a payment and authorization service. Sign the exe. Test on Apple. What else we need to do for quad code, guys? Figure out a monetization plan in terms of tiered features. Okay, that looks good. All right. What do you guys think? Anything else for quad code? Can you guys think of anything? I know like a lot of these things like they kind of just been in my mind and I haven't really been sharing a lot. But what do you guys think? Am I missing something? Can you think of anything that I'm not thinking of? Does Quadbench need any UI improvements in optimization? That maybe that could be like well, what we'll need is a support / issue reporting system. So that way when people are using the app, they can report issues so we can actually fix them. Do you have a feature set defined for Quadbench? A little bit, like, but that's a good thing. That's part of what I need to do to figure out the tiered features, is write out like all the different features of Quadbench. That way I can say like what is going to be like part of the free tier if we have free, and then what's part of the second tier and the third tier. So list out all features. Exploring that might be valuable. Yeah, for sure. The website does have some things already, right? Like if you go to Quads Lab, so there is a lot already in here, but it's not like, it's kind of all spread out a little bit, you know? Did it help you define a roadmap? Okay. Oh yeah, good. So that's what we need then for it. So that's kind of like what all these are. Plan out V2 features / roadmap. That's what we need, is a roadmap here. And then the same for Quadbench. All right, great. Social media poster. There we go. This one here, I still haven't even decided if I want to monetize on it, but I know it's something I need personally. So what I need to do to finish this is set up OAuth for all social sites, and then I'm not even sure what's next. In terms of tools, do you have everything you need? For Quadbench specifically? No, for your complete plan portfolio. No, there is another tool that I think will go into this bundle of tools that I haven't really started working on, and I don't really want to kind of release the idea just yet. But I don't think I should even work on it until kind of what I have here is completed. And Agency OS, this might even be something that I kind of scrap, maybe. At least, or like put on the way back burner. Like it's number 5. Like these 3 at the bottom, you know, Quads Lab, IO, there's not really anything to do here, just kind of maintenance and just update things as I need it. The Quadathon is running. I mean, you know, as we get our subscribers, we're going to release all those videos, or well, I need to actually make videos. Make announcement videos. But yeah. Explore monetization. Alright. Set up OAuth and testing. That's basically it. I mean, really just set up OAuth and start testing the app. From there, it's just bug fixes. I don't know if there's really much more to do on it. I'm gonna put something on here. So this one here, this is a kind of a hidden project, guys. I don't want to say what it is just yet. But when it comes out, this is something that I'm going to be working while I'm on the cruise. And then hopefully when I come back, I can present this on the BridgeMind project sharing, if Matthew's up for it. It's a very simple project. I'll tell you guys, it's something.ai, okay? If you know, you know. If you don't know, you're gonna find out. But we're gonna, on that one, I just need to finish the control panel login and confirm Stripe is set up correctly. Then we can present that, and hopefully right when I come back, we're gonna be able to present that. So, I think for Agency OS, this one, we're going to say project on hold. Are all these products part of the same brand? Yes and no. I would say these 3, Get Abe, Dr. Vibe, and Quadcode are, or no, not Dr. Vibe, but Get Abe, Quadcode, and Quicksert. Kind of like they're gonna be bundled together in a way. That's the plan, is to bundle all these tools You know, you buy one price, you get quad bench, you get Abe, you get quick cert, and then plus one tool. Plus one secret tool? I don't know if secret's the right word. For those that are, you may want an overall marketing strategy. King says it's important at this stage to think about where products are bundled and make sure their names and branding matches. Quad bench, get Abe, quick cert don't sound like a set. Just sounds like 3 random things. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, maybe they can be something a little different. Maybe we go off the quick name. What do you think of that? Quick code, quick voice, and then quick cert, and then plus one secret tool that could also be quick. Insta vibe. Insta voice. Let's talk about some of the things for have a Clawbot assistance. Bryce, before you finish speaking. Clawbot, I mean, isn't that the same what they call OpenClaw? So what do I want my OpenClaw to do for me? I want OpenClaw to generate content based on my generate short form content based on my live streams. Generate short form content based on my long form videos. Post to all social networking sites. I want it to also be able to generate a list of social media influencers based on market influence. Like, I don't know the right words for that. What is quad code? Nobody knows what quad code is. What else do I want my OpenClaw to do? It should learn from social media, fetch trending posts so it can self-improve. Yeah, that's actually part of the quad poster actually. Here, I'm actually pushing an update the quad poster now to show you guys a little bit what I did do after the fact. But what else do I need my quad bot to do for me? Or not quad bot, my OpenClaw. Build MCP around poster, connect to Clawbot. Well, it doesn't need a MCP technically. But I already have a feedback system kind of for OpenClaw to work with it. Alright, let me see this. Alright, it's deploying and then I'll show you kind of the updates there. Have a Clawbot assistant, post to all social networking sites. What I want, I want to add a new product up here actually. What I want here is a new product for a support system, multi-product support system with Discord integration. I want my Clawbot to handle all the support tickets. Support ticket handling. Okay, so I want to make a system where for all the different products, if somebody submits a ticket for Quad Bench, then it will
Someone just subscribed.
Hey, thanks for subscribing. It will, having all this, you need to have Clawbot CRM thing, but that, by the looks of it, yeah. So like I need some type, not a CRM, but I need a support system, a ticketing system, and I'm thinking like maybe you can like create the ticketing system can work with Discord integration, and then just have like my Clawbot be able to interact with the tickets that way, maybe, or maybe just through an API. And be able to manage things like that. So we don't have to get into the weeds right now what that really looks like technically, but okay, here, check this out, guys. All right, this is Quad Poster. That's my reading data from Discord burns tokens like heck. Okay. Well, we'll figure it out. All right, you guys ready for this? Watch. What do you guys think? And then these little crabs like run away and stuff. Yo, been a long day over here. Did you send your important letter today? I did send my important letter. I'll tell you about it later. Yeah, I like it how it takes that away, and then these guys come out. Your AI bot writes, you approve every platform. It's pretty cool. Quadposter.com. Here, can you update our landing page and really improve it to kind of show off all these new features we added? All right, we're not gonna lose focus too much. Let's get back to our planning. Welcome, Bob. Hope you're having a good day, man. Okay, so let's start talking about April 1st. April 2nd. April 3rd. So April 1st, that's the first 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Can those small crabs then change to X pose animate thingy on the landing page? Change to X post? What do you mean, change to X post? Yeah, post those small crabs to X, kind of. I might have to talk to you in Discord about that one and see what you mean. Alright, week 1 back from cruise. Week 2 April. One, two, three, 4, 5. Assign estimated hours to each task so you can plan weekly tasks. Alright, on April 1st, we're going to present Secret Project, Secret Cruise Project. Alright, wait, let's talk about priority here again. So, did we have this right? Get Abe, Dr. Vibe, Quad Code. I think these are in the order of easiest first. Like, I think like if we worked the whole day, like if we literally just woke up in the morning and got to work all day and I was focused the whole time, I think with Abe we could do it all in one day. And some is what I think. We can set up Stripe payments, we could focus on security and privacy, we could sign the EXE, confirm the auto updater, and then plan out V2 and make a marketing strategy and release. Ship. What do you guys think? One day, if we did that all in one day? Yeah, I mean, if I'm live streaming at 5:30, like I've been doing, I mean, I have been cutting streams a little short, but if let's say if it's 12 hours of work, that's kind of 2 days worth. I think if I do most of the work before stream and then spend 5 hours straight just knocking it out, right? I think 1 day is what we need. What do you think, King Dynasty? Do you think we could do it all in 1 day? Take possible hiccups in account. I say a day and a half to account for issues or a downswing in productivity. Okay. April 1st. Well, okay. Present secret cruise project. That's going to be during the day. Start. Get Abe. App. Completion, a task, and then on April 2nd, finish and ship. Why does the font look like this? It's like it's still okay, there. So 2 days. We're gonna do April 1st and April 2nd. That's Wednesday and Thursday when I come back. It's better to be cautious, in my opinion. I plan 6 hours for my typical workday. Some end up being 10 hours, just saying that unexpected stuff happens. Yeah, no, you're right. And then April 3rd. I think we can do that though. With the task, like how far Abe is, like, you know, I'm using Abe every single day. You know, if we don't get bogged down in these planning out V2, like if we don't get bogged down with trying to polish everything and just shipping it out there, making sure that we can update it later and that we can sign it and release it and collect payments, we should be able to do it pretty easily. I think 2 days is more than enough for us, even if we're only planning 5 hours worth or 6 hours worth each day. Okay. April 3rd. Let's talk about April 3rd. Okay, April 3rd. Man, I'm having some trouble with these things today. There we go. April 3rd. Start Dr. Vibe. So that's Friday. I feel like Dr. Vibe's gonna take a little more work. I think Dr. Vibe is going to, if we only focus on Dr. Vibe and nothing else, I think it's probably going to take us 3 days. So I think we can start on Friday and then wrap up on Tuesday the next week. And during the weekend, you know, Saturday, Sunday, I probably will be working on some things, Dr. Vibe or something else. But if I say Friday and then Monday and Tuesday are just Dr. Vibe, we should be able, I think we can get them shipped. And the same mindset here is what I'm thinking is these are all the things that I think, you know, like some of these things like promo videos and Bridgemind project sharing, like this will actually be on the next day. I mean, I think he's been doing them on Wednesdays, right? We could say here, this is April 4th is Monday. Man, this document looks terrible. Present Dr. Vibe. On Bridgemind. Okay. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think I mean, you guys see me work on Dr. Vibe. At least some of you guys have. What do you think? Am I being too overzealous here? If that's the right word. 3 days for Dr. Vibe. Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Maybe some work over the weekend, but during the live stream, just straight focus Dr. Vibe. Slightly optimistic. I don't think it's a bad estimate for Dr. Vibe. You got this. Cool. I'm telling you though, King, when I come back from this cruise, man, I come back. So guys, I come back on the 30th, like sometime in the night on the 30th. I'm gonna take the 31st to kind of, you know, come back, get back to being at home, and then the 1st, we're going full force. I'm gonna be taking everything that we have here. I'm gonna be making a video, guys, while I'm on the cruise, and probably scheduling it somewhere the 31st or the 1st, maybe the 30th. I'm not sure when, so keep your eyes out for that. Of talking about me going full force. Here, let's see. Let's see what Claude did here for us. Did he do anything? Your bot gets smarter every cycle. After publishing, Quad Poster automatically collects engagement data from every platform. Your Clawbot queries the Insights API to learn what works and adjusts its next post accordingly. Auto collected at 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours, 72 hours after every publish. Tag and content type analysis. The self-improving content loop. Write, adapt, publish, learn. I don't know. Okay. Now, I think that's good for Dr. Vibe. Let's talk about quad code here. Let's try this. April 8th. Friday. Are you able to help me format all this information into a nice Word document? I actually copied this from a Word document already. Maybe you can help me outline it a little better. Here, before you get too far, here's the same document, but in an actual Word document format. Quad bench is the one you want to see the plan for most. Is that because that's the one you're mostly interested in using? All right, fill in the rest of the table for the rest of the weeks for all the rest of the days. Look, it's gonna make the plan for us here, guys. Sorry for the flashbang, guys. Alright, April, Dr. Vibe Sprint, Dr. Vibe Continue, Finish and Ship, Present Dr. Vibe on Bridgemine, Dr. Vibe Promo Videos, Steam Store Setup, Dr. Vibe Wrap Up, Friday Live Stream. Let's just look at what we got here. Okay, it doesn't know. It doesn't know what we need.
DJ Vision IT pulls the slot machine.
What's up, RBK? What the heck? Alright. This looks better. Dr. Vibe promos. Did you pack? I haven't packed yet. I'm gonna pack tonight. All right. Quad code. Let's just delete everything. Oops. Sounds like a horrible idea. Yeah, well, it's where I'm at. Come on, Word, work with me. All right. So, so let's do this. Dr. Vibe Thursday. Wait. Tuesday. Why does it say Tuesday? I messed up all the days. Okay, there we go. Monday is the 6th. 7, 8, 9, and 10. $13.
At Shemek 217 pulls the slot machine.
$20 to 20. 20, 21, 2, 3, 4. Last week of April. We got 5 weeks in April, guys. 27 to the 1st. Okay, May 1st, we'll just say this, on May 1st, we're going to have an April review and plan for May. Dr. Vibe. Let's do this. Dr. Vibe, promo videos, and Steam store launch prep. Hopefully by that time we'll figure out what that looks like. Let's start plugging in quad code. So what do we have for quad code specifically? So for quad code, let's do this. Let's set up payment system. No, set up payments system, tiered features. We need to set up ticketing system. And we'll put QB here, quad bench. I'm thinking it's gonna take all of week 3. Don't quit your job. The real Elvis. Why not Elvis? Okay. Yeah, so I think had to make money in education niche. I don't understand what you mean. Here's what I want, guys. I want to ship quad bench by April 17th. That's gonna be the goal. We're gonna ship quad bench. So we need to have it signed and auto updater working here. And then we can fill in the rest this week. Apple testing. We'll do that on Wednesday. Maybe we'll push that up, actually, Apple testing. What's up, Mr. E? Promo and marketing on Wednesday. And infected tooth, nerve, or something. Didn't sleep for 3 days in agony. Antibiotics and painkillers finally working. All good though. You? Yeah, man. You need, if it's infected, you need those antibiotics. Without that, the painkillers aren't going to do anything. I mean, they will a little bit, but you're just going to need more and more until that infection goes down. But glad you're getting some relief, man. I'm doing good. Tomorrow I fly out to Puerto Rico for a week-long cruise. So you guys aren't going to be seeing me live streaming, very much, but we're going to figure something out. You're going to see some type of content from me. Right now, what we're doing is we're trying to plan out all of April when I come back. So right now, this is what we have. On April 1st, we're going to present a secret cruise project. And we're going to start working on our Abe task. And basically, we're going to try to ship Abe by April 2nd. Because the tasks are very minimal. I'm glad you're getting some life back, E. Yeah, you're not the only one, that's for sure. Then Friday we're gonna start Dr. Vibe, and by Tuesday we're gonna have Dr. Vibe V1 shipped.
DJ Vision IT pulls the slot machine.
Nice try, RBK. Wednesday we're gonna try to make some promo videos for Dr. Vibe and try to figure out what it's going to take to get them on to the Steam store. Hopefully by that time I'm approved for the Steam store. And then Thursday, April 9th, we're going to change and start working on Quad Bench. And we're going to have Quad Bench shipped by April 17th. And then from there, we're going to do Quad Bench features, swarming features, maybe. So I think what we can do for that week here, we can work on Quad Bench. We don't have to get everything ready, as long as we can sign it, have it auto update. Then we can start shipping features inside of it. So, Quad Bench swarming features. What else do I have on the list? I feel like I don't have enough stuff to do. Maybe I'm being too hype here and thinking I could get all this done. Let's do one day. Let's say after we ship Quad Bench, we take a break at least one day. And we set up OpenClaw on this day. Then we can come back to Quad Bench swarming features. Swarming features, new features. Maybe actually we'll do that, and then we'll do multi-product support, ticketing. Support features. As you do things, you'll think of more things to do as well, probably. Yeah, probably will. Wait, let's throw in OpenClaw social media poster, and then This whole week is going to be about OpenClaw. So OpenClaw multi-product ticket support features. We'll throw in Quad Bench and start getting a new feature, the swarming feature in April 21st. OpenClaw marketing. What else do we need for OpenClaw? OpenClaw marketing, generate content. Okay. I don't know, guys. Maybe what I should do is just leave it how it is here. Everything I have on this list, we're gonna get done in April. These are the goals for April. So I'm gonna leave this for now. I'm gonna leave this extra week of stuff blank, but we're gonna fill these in as we go. Leave a little wiggle room if we need to push things back, we can, but the goal is to try to follow this as best as we can, fill in the rest of these tasks as we kind of think of them. But yeah, that's the goal, and when we come back, we're gonna go full force. So, yo, what's up, Pi? As you develop, you may need to add room for bug fixes anyways. Yeah. So I'm going to save this. I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. I'm probably just gonna relax off stream. Probably gonna hang out in the Discord, and then I'm going to take some time and pack and whatnot, because we gotta pack we leave tomorrow afternoon. Day-to-day planning is hard to do. Thought about doing weekly sprints. Yeah, yes and no. I say what we have is a good timeline, and then if they need to be pushed out, we can push them out. But we're gonna pull them all in before May 1st is here. I have ChatGPT Go, but I used up the limit. Can you explain what alternative thing to use? I really don't know, Pi. Unless you're gonna pay for something, I'd pay for Claude Code personally. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna head out though. Join the Discord. I'm gonna be hanging out in there tonight. So I hope you guys have a nice day. I'm not leaving just yet. Like, I'm not leaving you guys, okay? I'm gonna be here somewhere, posting videos, posting shorts. I'm gonna show you what Puerto Rico is like, okay? All right, you guys have a good night. I'll see you.